This video shows the claw grip, a safe cutting technique to cut food in slices. This method ensures that fingers are out of the way as the knife cuts through the food.
With the food on the chopping board, make a claw-like grip by tucking your thumb under the palm of your hand and curling your fingertips. This helps you guide the knife safely and decide how thick the slices need to be before you cut.
In many schools, whiteboards are used, with red boards being used for raw meat. In catering, a green chopping board is used for salad and fruit and vegetables. Brown boards are used for root vegetables and white for dairy and bakery products. If the chopping board moves while cutting, place a cloth or paper towel underneath.
Tilt the knife and slice the cucumber using your fingers as a guide. Slide your fingers back, keeping your grip on the cucumber.
Schools vary how they manage knives, with some counting them out and back in, and others having them in drawers or cutlery trays. Schools often have different sized knives. Check what is an appropriate size for the hands of the pupils. Pupils must be taught how to use knives safely, as well as walking with a knife carefully. Check your school policy for risk assessment, first aid and dealing with accidents. Ensure that you know and follow the school policy on dealing with and reporting any accidents, such as cuts and burns.
To dice ingredients into cubes, such as potatoes, first, cut into thick slices, then into strips, rotate by 90 degrees, and then slice into cubes.
You can also use the fork secure technique, which uses a fork to secure the food on the chopping board, which is useful for younger pupils or those less experienced or less confident. Top tips. Be vigilant when pupils are using knives. Ensure pupils use this safe knife technique when cutting and slicing. Check that all knives are clean and accounted for at the end of the lesson.